As Q Degrees completes 12 years, let's hear what QDians have to say about this incredible journey.
Since I joined this company, Q Degree has evolved as a product development company, as well as we used to provide consultancy related services earlier as well. Congratulations to the team. This is what I can say.
It is always inspiring, full of learning and evolving.
So it's been an amazing journey with the Q Degrees, and I feel truly proud to be a part of it. So all thanks to the Q Degrees for boosting my confidence, and it helped me in evolving professionally.
Q Degrees has played a very important role in my life, shaping both my personal and professional growth. Personally, I would say it has given me an opportunity to manage high impact projects, work with diverse set of clients.
This Q Degrees is a small brand to growing tree, right? So with their capability, with their stronger the analytics skills, with their digital transformation, etc. So I am also excited and looking forward for this journey or what is next for me.
Where do you see yourself growing within Q Degrees?
Taking on challenging roles and expanding my skill set.
What's one thing you have learned at Q Degrees?
Adaptability.
What's your proudest moment here?
When I was appreciated.
One word that defines your Q Degrees journey.
It was challenging,
very motivating, growth.
Supportive, because everyone lifts up each other here. If you had to describe Q Degrees' 12-year journey as a movie title, what would it be?
The founder.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
What's one idea you have to make Q Degrees even more better place to work in the next year?
Mandatory Fun Friday.
What's your favorite part of the workday?
Coffee break.
What makes you motivated every day at work?
It is the opportunity to learn something new and the satisfaction of solving problems that make a real difference.
When you look back at Q Degrees early days, what's the first memory that comes to your mind?
Fun Friday.
What does the word Q Degree mean to you in one line?
For me, Q Degrees means a place where learning meets the opportunities and build a successful career.
I'm working with Q Degrees since 2 years, and it gives me an immense pride to stand here before today as Q Degrees celebrates 12 incredible years of learning, growth and transformation. As we step into new chapter, let's continue to learn continuously, listen deeply and transform fearlessly, just as we always have. Right, here is to many more milestones together. Congratulations to everyone. Let's continue to grow together. Thank you so much.
How do you ensure employees feel heard and valued at Q Degrees?
So, as an HR, I always ensure our employees feel heard and valued by promoting open communication, by always seeking regular feedbacks, by recognizing their contributions and involving every one of them in every decision making, and to motivate them to grow and to create an inclusive workplace people culture.
Your message to Q Degrees on their 12th year anniversary.
Okay, I would like to congratulate Q Degrees for the 12th anniversary. Also, cheers to them and for the many more years that will come.
Congratulations to Q Degrees on the remarkable achievement of successfully completing 12 years. Here's to many more years of success and innovation.
I would like to congratulate Q Degrees on their 12th anniversary. Cheers to many more years of learning and happy clients.